Well, it is, of course, the start of summer unofficially, and that means lots of cookouts and picnics, and it is important to stay safe when cooking outdoors. Health reporter Stahl joins us with more on avoiding food poisoning. Very important.
It's our yearly reminder every summer. You know, health officials say food left out or not cooked properly can easily lead to food poisoning, and there are some other not so obvious culprits. Grilling and picnics are a big part of summer fun. Undercooked meat and poultry, though, can be major sources of food poisoning, according to doctors. And so can one of the healthiest food options, leafy greens. One survey says they cause about 85% of outbreaks. Along with cantaloupes, the skin can be contaminated with listeria.
The warmer temperatures make it really easy for bacteria to multiply to dangerous levels that can potentially get you sick.
To lower your risk, the USDA says to follow 4 rules. First, clean your hands, utensils, and surfaces when you're cooking often, especially when handling raw meat, seafood, and eggs.
It's so easy to then touch other items and spread that bacteria around, which we don't want.
Next, separate. Use different cutting boards and plates for produce than you do for raw meat products. Keep cooked and raw foods separate. Also, cook food to the right temperature, which varies based on the food.
It's really easy for the, grill marks to make it look like that food is done, but you have to use a food thermometer to make sure your food has reached a safe internal temperature.
Finally, chill. Perishable food can be kept out at room temperature for up to 2 hours, but on hot days when the temps hit 90 degrees Fahrenheit or above, it's just 1 hour.
To help, extend your time and keep the food even safer, you could consider something like an ice bath. So if you're outside, bring an extra bowl, bring one of those foil trays that you can put things in, get some ice in there and nestle those bowls or containers.
Now, with produce, to avoid problems with things like lettuce and melon, wash it thoroughly. Federal health officials say about 130,000 people are hospitalized every year with foodborne illnesses. They say that can often be avoided by following some simple safety precautions. Be safe. Eating outside is so nice in the summertime, but few safety things we have to remember.
That, starting to make my stomach hurt.
It's almost time for dinner.
Yeah, I hope my family's paying attention, taking notes. Thank you so much, Steph.